Lama lah. Oh shit, drop harga. Oh bigger ya. JJBN. Ah, deh. Wah, triple apa? Bikin Indra. Alah, my god. Wah. I think I hit. Oh my god. Alamak. Oh my god, 鸡蛋乱叫。Oh my god. Wah, tu ah. Hah? Ini tu ah. Heavy. Apa heavy? Heavy sah. Bikin Indra. Mr. Ian. Let's go. Đây này ba. Masih lagi. So the fish turning us around.
My fish is there. I need to go there.
Come jalan. Tuna.
Solar catcher.
Sagai tu kan.
Indra step in. Masuk lah.
Satu.
No, they don't want the profile. Let's be honest.
Sini lah. Okay.
Yeah.
Chimera.
Yeah. Oh, I bought every single one of them.
Oh, downstairs only that one.
Your same fish, bro.
I go back the side.
Oh, coming up. Wow.
So fast up saya tu. Oh my god, so big.
Indra.
Yes, sir. Wow. I'm high.
Not like big
High on
sial.
adrenaline.
Indra.
Hey, this one I think good style. Whoa.
Oh my god, that's fucking fast, bro. It's fishing.
Woohoo!
Getting one way.
My turn. Let's go. Let me join.
I'm fighting the fish, bro.
My bad. Oh yeah, bro. Go to his left, bro. Go to his left.
Go here, play here.
Wow. What the fuck? T-Bike got one pick, bro.
Oh, Kira taking the MVP, is it?
Oh no, he's taking from me. I said heavy.
I think
There.
How high is it? 50 ah?
I just let it sink to my heart.
Kevin get everywhere, bro. Don't need to count.
GT.
Yeah, Kevin get.
Cabinet.
Wait, where's the net?
What the fuck is that?
Oh, fucking big.
Papan ah?
No. Oh. Jom bro Indra. Dah jemuruk. Asal.
Jemuduk.
Ui. Nak.
I go behind. Boleh?
Pam.
Dah kena pump already. Need to pull the line.
Salah sia.
Start like that. Yes! Yeah, baby!
Berapa pound line tu?
40.
Oh, 16.
14 pound.
Oh, we are going to tie a FG without not this.
Baik, kau 14 pound. 6 right? 6.
6.5 pound, bro. Hey, I champion so far.
Hey,
6.5.
Stop! What the fuck? Indra! Shit.
Hey, break the camera already. One fish.
I need
Hey, shaking, sial. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Ni betul dong.
Holy shit, fucking huge I need more to have enough. Yeah. Call below.
Ini. Ini.
Okay. Bawa sikit. Bro, look at the hook set, bro.
Oh, perfect, sial.
Hey, look at the hook set. Justin, look at the hook set.
He's saying hi.
Why?
Fucking nice, bro. You know, yesterday last minute then buy the. Because I remember it was super good offer.
Alright, bro. Letak sini, bro. Thank you. Apa cik?
Main player. Hey, player.
Ni also player, just use lah. Oh, macam mudah dah biggest.